Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Paola, local and long distance movers near me. Unpreparedness makes moving families more than 50 miles away from their homes challenging. If you have children, the work will be far more complex. While arranging and packaging your possessions may be difficult at first, it will become easier as the process progresses. Your long distance moves will be a breeze thanks to 3 Movers. We have the full backing of the FMCSA because of our stellar reputation in the business. Our drivers are also well versed in the intricacies of interstate travel and adhere to the letter of the law at all times. Therefore, if you have important issues to deal with, you can't afford to trust your belongings to some unreliable moving company. We promise that your possessions will arrive at their new place in perfect condition and on time, and that none of them will be lost or damaged along the way. When it comes to long distance relocation, we take great pride in the work we do for our clients. You can rely on us if you're relocating inside Paola, and we charge between $30 and $40 per hour. We've got you covered whenever you need a local distance relocation service. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Paola moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.